All right, so now we're going to install the ramp. I'm going to show you how to just lay it on top here, and then we'll install the hardware. So it's going to sit and rest like so. Right now I'll leave it to the side. This front bolt will go like this. The ramp will slide in. Now we got the ramp bracket. Going to take our bolt, slide it through so that the end of the ramp can be secured to the carrier. Going to slide this ramp on, secure it to the carrier. We got this last clamp here. Unfold it, and then see how seamless it is to load on a bike.